Hi everyone. Uh, Today I'll be showing you about our roofing project, our current roofing project here at Delta State. And this project here is a three-bedroom bungalow that we started on Saturday. And today being Monday now, I'll be showing you the levels and I'll be explaining a few parts of the work to you. But as time goes on, I'll be keeping you updated of how far we have gone. So stay tuned with us as we go on. So right here is the project, the roofing project that we started, and we are currently at the stage of the wooden work, whereby we make our construction with woods. And quickly, I'll be making it short because of time and other activities at hand. I'll be going straight to the woods, the type of wood that you are using. This wood right here is Oleku by name, though other parts have different names for it. But in Delta State, it is being called Oleku. This wood is one of the top and the best wood so far in the roofing industries. I'll be showing you different sizes of it. This one right here is 2 by 4 by size. The size here is 2 by 4, and the next one here is 2 by 3. So we have one other last one that is under. This tiny one here is 2 by 2. And according to this work, every wood have their specific work. They have their parts, they have their functions that they do in this project, or rather in every project that we do. So this one right here now, the 2 by 4 that you see standing here, the 2 by 4 is the first one that we need to start our works. So you can see the 2 by 4 that we have used to stand. So let me just go up and show you. Okay. Lucky Dube. Okay. Uh, the 2 by 4 we use it for most of the major parts of this work. So currently now we have joined them together to get to reach that level, the height. And the height right there is called the king post. So this one here now is the king post by name, this height. So after our joining, we'll move straight to the raising of the 2 by 4, which will be starting in a few minutes from now once I end this video. So as I was saying, yeah, this 2 by 4, the 2 by 4, they have their various parts. So this one right here now that's here, this part that we have done, this stage, this level is called the level of tying of beam. We have tied the beam. We have laid down our plate wood. We have tied beam, and the beam is already completed. These are some of my workers. I just having little time to rest. So we have laid down our plates. As you can see the quarter rod. We have tied it to the work. So everywhere now is firm. No matter how the brace and everything, no, you cannot carry this ass. Everything is strong now. We have our plates. We have tied our beam. Now we have divided the house. We have gotten the highest king post. We have also made divisions of the gutters and the punch so that we can get our work according to the construction. So now we are done with this part now, and moving up, we'll be starting from our railings. Okay. This wood right here that you see on top of the house now, that are scattered and are everywhere. In few minutes from now, everything will get up, and this house will take a new look. So people, uh, I hope you all do enjoyed the little time that I have to stay online and make a live video of our project. Like I told you yesterday, I was going to make a live video of it. So from time to time, I'll be giving you updates, not only on this particular project, but every of our projects. And quickly, I want to send this to us. We'll be undergoing a rebranding process in no time. So please, I only want everybody to be patient with us and to cooperate with our mode of conduct and all that, because during this rebranding process, we'll be changing some structures and arranging our activities, our ways of interacting with clients and all that. So I'll just need you to stay back and relax, and also know that every step that we take is for the betterment and the best of this company, and how to render more services, better services to you. So I highly appreciate everyone who have been patronizing us and all that. I appreciate you so much. I really want to say a big thank you to you for the help and everything, the for for the patronage. I really appreciate it so much, and we hope to hear from you in no time. So please, once again, our office is in Delta State, really Delta State. We do work everywhere, we work anywhere around the country. We're also available for traveling and all that. So just do good to call us about your project. Put a call across. We have our contacts and other social media platforms details everywhere. So do well to contact us and bring your project for us to do for you. We also engage in general building and all that. Bring any of them. We are at your services to render to you. So till we see you again, peace.